Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, thank you. I appreciate you stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you as well. I appreciate your support, feedback, and honesty. You guys keep the channel rocking. So today we're going to do another update. It will probably be the last update on the Growell two-tier hydroponic system. And it's been a week since we did the last update, and I guarantee you, you will be very much surprised at the growth of the plants. Let's get started. So, as you can tell, there has been an awful lot of growth in a week's period of time. The lettuce is growing phenomenal, and to be honest with you, I am very surprised at how quickly everything is growing. I haven't harvested yet. At this rate, I'm probably going to give it another week, maybe a week and a half, no more than 2 weeks before we start harvesting. The vacant spots that I had in the top, and I think there were 6 of them, I added more seeds to them, and they have all since germinated and are doing pretty well. And again, I am very, very, very happy with the kit and very surprised that they are growing as well as they are. Now, this is the second tier. Well, actually the first tier. This one has 2 cherry tomato plants that you're looking at, and the cherry tomato plants have grown so big so quick. They're almost at the height level or the maximum height level that I can raise the light. The basil smells marvelous, and the 2 eggplants have started to grow. Again, still a little concerned about them being leggy and all, but we'll see what happens with them. But when I come into the room to check on them, the whole room smells like basil and tomatoes. Everything is growing fantastic, and I couldn't be happier with the kit. Next things that I'm thinking about planting are some more herbs besides basils and some plants that maybe I may be able to plant in here. I've watched a couple YouTubers actually start onions inside in their hydroponic kits, so that may be something that I will look to do in the future. But overall, the kit has been fantastic to me. I had some concerns initially about the lights falling down, but once the kit is up and running and doing what it's supposed to do, the lights have been a non-factor at all. They don't move, they don't fall. The only time they do move is when I adjust the height of them. If you hadn't seen the original video on the Growell system, this is a 60 pod hydroponic grow system. It has 2 full spectrum lights, and the water auto circulates. It can hold 24 liters in the first tier on the bottom and 8 liters in the second tier up top. It's mobile. You can move it around if necessary, and you can grow herbs, vegetables, and fruit in it. When the company reached out to me, I initially had a little concerns, but all of my concerns have been allayed and everything is working well. I'm really, really, really happy with the kit. If you are interested in purchasing one, I'll leave the information that I have for them in the description portion of the video. It has a 32 liter, as I said, 32 liter tank that will provide weeks of automatic hydration and feeding. It has a pump that pumps the water up to the second tier. It's very quiet, not really noisy or anything like that. It comes with 2 smart modes, a vegetable mode, which is what I'm currently using, and also a fruit and flower mode. It also comes with 2 pre-programmed timers, a 16-hour and then a 22-hour. Everything in the kit came, well, all the stuff that came in the kit included the sponges, the baskets for the sponges, and your chemicals or fertilizer that you need for your solution. So overall, definitely something that if you're interested in hydroponics, check it out. And I hope you like what you see. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. And I hope I persuaded you, or at least gave you some thought about hydroponics. Initially, last year when I got into hydroponics, I really, well, actually not last year, a couple years ago, when I got into hydroponics, I really didn't have a feel for it, and I was flying by the seat of my pants. But now I've realized that hydroponics will allow me to grow food year round. So I can grow inside my home, and during the spring and summer and fall, I can continue to grow outside. But what I like best about this is that I don't have to worry about any weather conditions or anything like that. It's great. And the way that the country and everything is running right now, everybody should be able to grow their own food. Whether it's inside or outside, you should be growing food. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.